I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. Today I want to briefly discuss an online RV training program we put together specifically for RV dealer customers. I'm sure any RV dealer watching this video would agree that the RV walkthrough you give to new customers is too much information for them to retain. We realized this problem many years ago, which resulted in our business, RV Education 101, and our extensive RV video training library. Today we are excited to offer our RV Dealer Walkthrough Orientation Training Program. The RV Dealer Orientation Program helps educate the new RV owner prior to taking delivery of the unit and before the RV dealer's walkthrough. This cuts down on time, questions, and follow-up calls to the dealership. Today's consumer desires access to information instantly. When you combine online video technology and the need for repetitive viewing to maximize retention, it's easy to see why our online RV training program is the most effective training available today. Our RV Dealer Online Video Training Program can be viewed from any device, including PCs, tablets, and smartphones. The program includes full-feature video training, written text, short video segments, related articles written by me, RV play and learn crossword puzzles, and quizzes to help your customer retain all of the information. The RV training program is generic, and we offer training on both motorized and towable RVs. The video training consists of easy to understand charts and hands-on instruction covering the LP gas system, the water system, the wastewater system, and the electrical system. In addition to the major systems of an RV, the video training includes instruction on RV appliances, RV accessories, and much more. In addition to the RV orientation training, your customers also receive a video presentation on our recommended RV essential items. This product review presentation informs your customers on what items they will need to purchase in addition to the RV starter kit to make all of their RVing experiences more enjoyable. This is a great RV training program designed specifically for new RV owners to get a proper start on their RV education. And we will be there to continue educating them with more advanced RV training on how to properly and safely use and maintain their RV. If you are a new RV owner and your RV dealer does not offer this RV training course as part of your RV buying experience, please let them know about it. RV dealers can get more information on how to set this RV training program up at their dealership by contacting Dawn at RVEducation101.com or by visiting www.rvonlinetraining.com and clicking on the RV Dealer tab. Happy camping!